Hey, I'm looking for the latest info on Apple stock. Can you show me where to find it?
Sure, let me show you Value Line, our database for stocks.
Awesome.
Here is Value Line's homepage. From here, we will go to the top and in the search bar type in Apple or whichever stock you are looking for. You can search by company name or stock symbol. The first one listed is the stock we are looking for, so we will click on that. At the top, we instantly see the last price and the date change, as well as other frequently requested information. Further down, we see some of Value Line's unique features, such as financial strength grade rating, ranks. Value Line provides more information about these features and how they are calculated by clicking on Show. Further down, you will find commentary, 3 to 5 year projections, valuation, and much more. If you are wanting to print a more concise report, back at the top you will see PDF reports. Let's click on that and select the most current report on the top of the dates. What comes up is a one-page summary of Apple stock that is much more printer-friendly.
Wow, thanks so much. I can't wait to look up more stocks.